as a beginner, you are here on YouTube and you're seeing a lot of videos that say stop using YouTube collab feature, stop using shorts, stop using this, stop using that. Calm down. This video is for you to help clarify that confusion. We have a better way you can use shorts, YouTube shorts, as a long form content creator to your advantage, and which is what I'm about to open your eyes to on this video. Please watch this video to the end, because you're going to learn a lot on this video and really understand what we meant by stop using YouTube shorts and stop using YouTube collab feature. My name is Choma. Help new beginners to do YouTube the right way without any confusion, get subscribers organically, and also get monetized here on YouTube. So if you're new here, welcome. Kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so that anytime I upload new video, you always get notified to watch my video. Please, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So I've been seeing a couple of videos, here on YouTube, that is telling us to stop using YouTube shorts. This is what they meant. They are not saying you should stop using YouTube shorts generally. You can use YouTube shorts. In fact, YouTube shorts is here for us to use to our advantage, just that a lot of people abuse that feature. It helps you to grow fast. What I mean fast is to get monetized here on YouTube fast, sharp feature to even get monetized through shorts, but also it doesn't have any impact on your long form video. So this is what we mean. So as a content creator, you first of all ask yourself, as a long form content creator, you can use shorts to your advantage. You don't have any business to do with collab feature, because if you do collab feature short, it's only attracting viewers, subscribers for only short videos. I don't know if you get me. I'll take it again. So I am saying that as a long form content creator here on YouTube, you have no business doing short collab videos. You have no business collaborating on other viral short videos. The reason is because when you do that, you only attract audience that watches your short videos, not your long form video. However, you can use that same shorts without having to do collab to also push your long form video. This is how to go about it. One do I really want to specialize on? Is it YouTube shorts? Is it long form video? Or do I want to do live videos? We have three ways to get monetized here on YouTube. You can monetize your live video without monetizing your long form videos and your shorts. You can even monetize your shorts without having your long form videos monetized. You can also monetize your live videos. So these are different ways you can get monetized here on YouTube. So now I'm going to be starting with short videos getting monetized. So if you are here on YouTube, your intention is to only be a short content creator. There is nothing absolutely wrong using short collab feature. In fact, it helps you to boost your visibility. It helps you to get to wider audience. It helps you to get more views, because for shorts, that more views will even help you to get monetized even faster and also get subscribers even faster, right? So now, if you are doing short videos only, that is your calling, that is your specialization, please maintain doing collab feature on short. There is nothing wrong. So you ask me, what is collab feature here on short? So collab feature shorts is actually videos other content creators has created on YouTube, on also their short videos, and those videos got a lot of views, got to a wider audience, got viral. So there is a feature on that, on short videos, which we call collab feature. On that collab feature, it helps you to also collaborate with that content creator on their video to also post on your own short video, on your channel shorts rather, so that you can also get to wider audience. Okay, so this is how to upload your normal shorts, not collab short, please. Note, this is not collab shorts. So you go to your video which you have already recorded. On your video, you go to your gallery. You already know how to upload your shorts, so it's not like it's something you don't know how to do. So through your shorts, you just click on your shorts, add video, then select the particular video you want to upload on your from your gallery. So this is it here. I've uploaded one. So it's just like when you're uploading a normal regular long form video. So you're going to allow it load, then after it's downloaded completely, so you're just going to add a caption. It's not actually compulsory, so it depends on, you can just play around it. A caption you feel that is going to attract subscribers, that is going to be very catchy to your audience. So I'm writing how to use shorts and collab. So you can just use any caption you feel is going to be very, very catchy. So I'm going to centralize it. I'll take it up so that it's not going to be covering my face. So I'll load it, then move to the next stage. So you're going to put the title. It's not compulsory actually. You can decide to skip that, you know. So you put the title. So I'm going to be doing that. Actually, when after putting title, it's also good to use hashtags. These hashtags also helps you to get to wider audience. You know, it helps to pull people to watch your shorts, and also um, direct them to your long form videos on your channel. So I'm using video short versus collab short. So hashtag YouTube, hashtag shorts. So you can play around it. You can use any topic you feel you can use. So once that is done, you see the visibility is unlisted. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be leaving it on private. So no, this video is not made for kids. So your add description, it is not compulsory. So this is where the real deal is: related videos. So now once you click on related video, you're going to be linking that short video to a particular long form video which you've already uploaded. So I've selected one, so you've already linked it. So visibility, I'm going to set it under private just for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm not going to be publishing this short. So once that is done, you can decide to also add your tags and all of that. So if this video really clarified the confusion in your head or in your mind, kindly smash the subscribe button, because on this channel I help beginners do YouTube the right way, get monetized organically, and get subscribers organically as well. Thank you very much for always coming back to watch my video, and do have a very beautiful day, and see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.